Hello there, my name is Chris Sandham, a chef at UCSP, Plymouth University. I'm here today to cook you some masala eggs, a nice quick, easy recipe for you to do over breakfast or brunch kind of time, and to use up scraps from your fridge and your cupboard. So like I say, quick, easy recipe, show you step by step how to do it, won't take no time at all. So here we go, we've got 2 pans, that's all we're going to need for this one, and a lid. So put a pan on, a bit of oil there to put on a bit of a high heat. It's just going to toast your sourdough bread, and this one here we're going to cook the veg in and the eggs. So we've got tomato concasse, a shallot, chilies are optional, coriander, a bit of kale, but you can use whatever veg that you want. If you've got any courgettes knocking about or anything like that, or mushrooms and stuff, it's all good to use in this dish. So we've got it heating up nicely there, just turn the heat down a tad. I'll put the sourdough in because sourdough tends to take a bit longer than you would assume. So we'll start off with the shallots. Put the shallots in there. This is 1 banana shallot. I mean, you could use all of that, that's all right. But you'll find that round shallots are quite good to use as well. Banana shallots are quite big. But if you're just cooking for one, just keep the quantities down. Give that a little go, turn the heat up a little bit. That's all right. And then in with the tomato concasse. We'll put all of that in there. That's just 1 large tomato. But you'll see as you do it the quantities. Just give that a little mix up there. So we're going to cook that off a little bit now. And then when that starts going a bit translucent, it starts cooking, you'll see it starts cooking down a little bit, we'll add the kale. There's a bit of chilli, just for a little bit of heat. We kept the seeds in on that one as well. Check sourdough. A bit longer on the sourdough. If I just give that a toss, turn the heat up slightly. I'm going to try and get a little bit of colour on those onions anyway. I'm going to add the kale now. Just a pinch of kale. This is black kale. It's really nice, especially now. Nice seasonal vegetable to use. Just give that a mix around there. I'm nearly ready to put our eggs in. We get a little bit of colour on the sourdough there. Turn that down slightly. I'm going to add a bit of the coriander now as well. And we're going to add some to finish as well. I'm just going to spread that around evenly around the pan. Like that. Get a couple of eggs. Get the lid, put the lid on, let that cook away, turn the heat down to a bit of a medium. Put a little bit more oil in that, I think, probably. You don't have to do your sourdough in a pan, just do it in a toaster. Doesn't really matter. Just keep that ticking away there. Turn the heat up on that a little bit, speed things up. So this all should be like slightly caramelised then out at the bottom there as well. Eggs should cook through. Get a plate. You'll see the eggs start to cook in there as you go. I keep the lid on as well, so it just like all the heat is involved inside the pan, so it cooks the tops, not just underneath. While we're at it, cut the avocado. So this is all quite good stuff that you can use up in your fridge that you have knocking about. I'm not saying you're going to have avocado knocking about or anything like that, but if you've got this kind of stuff, that's really good because of the avocado, like fat, oil, this just fills you up with beauty. Right, eggs are cooked. Get the toast on. Turn these off. Bang, bang. Get this spatula. Just get that on the top there, like that. Avocado, and finish it off with a bit of pomegranate. With the tomato concasse, I used the insides of the tomato and just blitzed it up with a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt. Just bang that over the top like that as well. Finish off a little bit of parsley. There you go, masala eggs on sourdough toast, avocado, pomegranate. There you go.